Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have? Chocho growing on my tree outside. Can you believe? In Georgia, chocho growing on my tree. Got these chocho from Donna of DW Backyard Garden in England. She mailed them to me from England, Sometime in January, and I was thinking, God, they're too early. How am I gonna manage? See, those are the chocho when I got them, they were growing out already. She sent me 3 of them. One didn't survive, but one had a black spot on it, and it didn't live. But 2 of them did good. So they were growing, and I forget if I put them. I didn't plant them. I put them. She said to put them in a Ziploc bag. That's her channel right there. Go check her out. DW Backyard Garden. Donna, she named. She said put them in a bag, in a plastic bag. So I put them in a Ziploc bag and forget about them. Shh, not tell her. But I forget about them. I want me see this thing I grow out of the bag in the corner. Me hurry up and put them into, because I didn't want them to die. So I put them in some little, them little fast food container and put little earth on top. And I me just set them on top of it sideways. And the thing them start grow. And they start grow through the window, up the blind. They were going up and up and up. And not even covered with dirt. These things wanted to survive, my dear. So yes, and they certainly did. But it got so much that every day me have to be pulling off tendrils. So I decided to carry them outside sometime in March. It was still cool, but it was warm enough. I figured I was checking the temperature, and it was I think they can survive up to 30 degrees, and it was like 40s. But I put them outside, but I had to be covering them every night. One day me wrap one of the vine around one of them stick you see there, and one day me see a little blossom and one little chocho attached to it. I was like, Jesus, the chocho tree are beer already. Of course, me quickly send a picture to Donna. I show her it. But, it was a chocho, but it never survived. It was a one, I guess it didn't get pollinated or anything. No bees was around much yet. But, it was fascinating, and I felt good because it told me that, I might have chocho soon. Because last year I had chocho, I got chocho from another lady, Marie Country Life here in America. And, my foot got hurt, and somehow I didn't go out there and water it, and it died in the same container. So this year I am at it again. And look, blossom is exploding all over the chocho. And look here. This is when it was smaller. The chocho, when I look, I see like 3 of them in a row. And they always come out near the end of the stem. Where the new stem is, where the new growth is going. And man, now I have an explosion of blossoms. I have chocho. I have twinny chocho out there too. I got explosion of blossoms all over. See, it have big chocho on it. Now if I wanted chocho, I could go out there and pick. But I went to New York the other day and got chocho. I went down to New York and spent 8 days and come back and, went to see my son and my grandchildren, my son and his children. And went to graduations and all of that. But look, chocho and blossom all over the tree. Guys, I'm going to make sure to give some of you chocho later this year. I didn't do a giveaway this year yet. And I'll do a giveaway of maybe pepper seed and chocho. I'll see how that works. But look, we can grow things. So grow something, And I've been reaping a lot of other stuff around the yard. I've been reaping tomatoes, zucchini. What else? I reaped what did I reap? I reaped a potato earlier this year, but look, there's an explosion of sunflower around my yard. Everywhere, right around. I plant them everywhere. And there's bees and butterflies are enjoying them. Those are the zucchini that I pick up out. They were so big. I could hardly hold them with one hand, but I wanted seeds. This is my the garden over there, yeah. Look at that. The zucchini, I had quite a few. Now tomatoes, I've been picking tomatoes. Some small ones, some small purple tomato. But look at this big one. Man, this is a big tomato. Can hardly hold in my hand. Yeah, small and big tomato. And of course, I'm also reaping pepper. I've got my first half-ripe pepper yesterday. And I'm gonna make a pickle with them. Here's zucchini and tomato and everything in this container. Also pumpkin. I reaped small pumpkin. Three small pumpkin. So I've been picking pepper, but none of them was ripe. I've been picking like green ones, but no, finally I got couple of ripe pepper. There you go. So thank you guys for watching. Comment and share, and I appreciate you all. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.